Alright, so the game that we're going to play next, we call it Cash Register Math. It came from a blog online where a lady, it was called How Much Is Your Word Worth? And it's an exercise where we take short words and we have a place value. Yeah, we have a value for each letter. 5 being for a vowel, 1 being for a consonant, and then 3 being for the letter Y. So what Emma does here is I wrote out the words to give her something to reference. She writes out the word herself. Then we underline any vowels, and then we write out the math problem.
And then we he told me what I have to
We check the answer on the register.
We have to check the answer on the cash register.
And then it tells us if we're right, and then once we're right, we go on to the next word.
It tells us if we're right, and then if we're right, we just go on to the next word.
That's right. All right, so let's start here. All right, so we have, let's see, 8 words.
Yeah.
Doll, give, toy, Lego, you, blue, story, and fun. We always like to end in fun, right?
Yeah, watching a movie is fun, and running around and playing outside is fun also. And jumping around in puddles from the rain is fun.
Okay. So, Emma already spelled out the word doll. So, doll. How do you spell doll?
D-O-L-L.
And how many vowels are in this word?
O is 1, and that is pretty much all.
That's it. All right. So write the number.
These I's are L's.
They're L's.
Okay.
Because doll would be doll. If they were I's, it would be doy. All right. So let's write the number 5. Because now we have to add them up. Write the number 5, please. You're an expert.
I might be an expert.
Okay, now we're going to put a plus sign because in between each number is a plus sign.
Is a plus sign like 1 line or 2 lines?
It's 2 lines, but it makes the sign like that. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So now, how many consonants do we have? 3. Okay. So let's write 1 3 times, and there's going to be an addition sign in between. Okay. Write the addition sign. Yep. Write 1. Yep. And then write another plus sign and another 1. Perfect. Now, an equals sign is the 2 lines. Okay, that is equals. Now, so let's add this up. Okay? So, how are we going to do it?
5 equals...
Let's use our fingers. Put 5 fingers up. Alright. How many other fingers do we need to put up? 3. Perfect. And what does that equal together? 9. Okay. So let's put the number 9 down.
Let's see if it does. Oh, I thought that was my pen.
Okay. Okay, that's actually... Yeah, that's not that. Okay, because it goes on the other side. Alright, so write 5 plus 1 plus, yeah, 1 more, now equals Is that the answer we got?
Like the answer we got here?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No. Okay, so let's put those fingers back up. Let's put those fingers back up. Let's recount those again. Okay, get your 3 fingers up. Because this was right, because you had 3 ones, and then you had 5 for a vowel. So let's count your fingers up. 8.
So I had 8.
Yes,
I
you counted
9.
9. Okay, so here's your pencil.
Thanks.
And what we'll do is we'll erase the 9.
And put an 8 there.
That's correct. Put the 8 beside it so we can read it a little bit better. But remember, there's 2 circles in an 8, right? Okay. So, and what I want to do is I want to show you how we are writing this on the book. Now, I did write A-E-I-O-U here for another visual reference for her, so she can easily decipher what is a vowel and what is a consonant, as well as the Y, to give us an idea, just to remind us of what it is worth. And this word, what is this word?
It's give, and it's like you're giving someone a present.
Yeah.
And I already wrote it out.
Okay.
It's right here.
All right. So how many vowels do you see?
Well, I do see a I that's there, an E that's here, and then.
So how many is that?
Wait.
How many vowels?
2.
2. Good job. All right. So write 5.
5.
So we have 2 vowels, and they are each worth 5. Plus.
Plus like this.
Yeah, just like this sign. And then write another 5.
And
Because we have 2 vowels. So it has to be 5 plus 5. Let's write another 5. Okay. Write another plus sign. And then how many consonants do we have?
The
2. So how many times are we going to write the number 1?
2.
There you go.
2 times.
That's right. And in between, we're going to write a plus sign. And then this equal sign, which is 2 lines, right? Equals. All right, so here we have the problem. 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals...
I don't know.
I don't know. How are we going to figure this out?
Well, the cash register will actually tell us because,
Yeah, but we're going to use the cash register to check our answers.
Oh, yeah.
So how are we going to add it up at first?
Use your fingers.
There we go. All right,
So if you start putting up 5 fingers and then 5 more,
yeah,
and take away 2.
No, you're getting ahead of yourself. Okay, so you have 5 and 5. So we have these 2 taken care of. We need 2 more fingers. Okay? How many fingers do we have total?
12.
12. Okay, write down 12. Oh, with your pencil.
It's like a 2.
A 1. And then a 2. The number 2.
I'm looking here.
Oh, yes. Good reference. Okay, so let's check our answer. Let's turn this on. All right, so we're at 5. Plus. Equals 12. Good job. Good job. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay? the next word. What word is that?
It's toy.
Toy. Good job. How do you spell toy?
T-O dodo mom or L.
Y. Yeah. T.
That is a Spanish word.
Oh, we're not speaking Spanish right now. Okay? So T-O-Y. All right, grab your pencil. Let's write it out. So T-O-Y. Write it right below the word. All right, so when can we use toy in a sentence, or how can we use toy in a sentence?
I am playing with a toy.
Perfect. All right, so do you see any vowels in this word? All right. Do you see any more vowels? No. All right, so let's write a 5. Write the number 5. Oh, sorry, I had to scratch the belly.
No, no, you don't do it.
All right. Okay. 5.
That's
Okay. Plus.
cool.
Yeah, a plus sign. Now, do you see any letter Y's
And what?
in the word toy?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's word 3. So now we have to write the number 3.
How many times?
How many Y's are there?
1. Oh, Y.
No, the number 3.
3 times?
The plus sign. Now, how many consonants are there?
1.
All right. Please write the number 1. And then the equal sign.
Like this. What?
All right. So let's put 5 fingers up. All right. Let's put. What number is that? 3 more. All right. And then we have to put 1 more. How many do we have? Write the number 9 down. Perfect. All right. Well, let's try it out. So how do you enter it? Yay! Good job. Great job. Okay, so Lego. How do you spell Lego?
L-E-G-O.
All right. How can you use the word Lego in a sentence?
I am playing with Legos, or I am playing with Lego.
Good job. All right, so let's write the word Lego right here. Yeah. Now you have to write the letter G. Try to write it smaller, just like I did here. Okay. Write an O. See how I wrote it right? The same size as the G, but in your case, your G is a little small, so try to write it just like that. Okay. So, how many vowels do you see in the word Lego? Can you write a line underneath them? And what vowels are those?
E-O.
E-O. All right, and how many do we have?
How many?
How many vowels? 2. All right. So we need to write 5 2 times. So write 5, because we are going to write our equation. 5. Write the number 5. Good job. Now a plus sign. The number 5 again. And a plus sign. Okay. Now, do you see the letter Y anywhere?
Where?
In the word Lego? Do you
No.
see? No? Okay. How many consonants are there? 2. Can you write, how many times do we have to write the number 1 then?
2 times.
2 times. So write the number 1. And a plus sign. Perfect. Now can you write that equal sign?
Dark.
Yeah, a little bit darker. Can you write the equal sign? Alright, so let's add it up now, okay? So put up your fingers. Put up 5 fingers. Oh, I guess you're going to put up 10 because we have to write 5 2 times, right? Perfect. Alright, now how many fingers do I have to put up? 2. Alright, so put your fingers up. How many do we have? How many fingers total?
This total means 10.
Yeah, count them. Remember, you know this is 5, so you can start with 5. So 5.
Wow.
12. All right. Let's write it down. No. We have to write it first. Remember, this is your pencil. Write 12. And it's a 1 and then a 2. Alrighty, let's check it out.
Check it out.
5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals... Good job! Yay! Let's go to the next word. What word is that? You. How do you spell it?
It's really easy. U-O-U.
No, it's Y.
Y-O-U.
Yeah. How easy was that, right? Alright, so, can you write it out now, please? Right below the word Lego, write U.
You point to the words there, you know
Yep.
where it is.
Good point. I do point to the word so Emma has reference. Alright, do you see any vowels in here?
Yes.
How many?
I do see all of them.
Well, Y is not a vowel, but it is worth 3. So we know that we have all of these letters.
That's why.
I know, but it's worth 3. Okay, it's not a vowel. So, but we do know that none of these are worth 1, right? So, how many vowels do we have? 2. So we have to write 5 2 times. Okay. So write the number 5. Plus. Good job. 5. All right. Plus.
You don't have to tell me.
Okay. Sorry. And then what's this last number that has to go here? No. 3. All right. So write the 3.
1 time or 2 times?
How many Y's are there? 1. Perfect. Oh, it goes right here. I thought I didn't have to tell you. Alright, what do you have to put here now? What?
Like the tracing lines.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's put our fingers up. How many 5s do we have? This is supposed to be a 5. How many 5s do we have?
2.
So put your fingers up. Put your fingers up. And then we have to add 3 more, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how many do we have? Count your fingers. How many do we have?
Well, I know that this one's 5 and that one's 5, so that makes 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good
So
job.
I think it equals 13.
Alright, so let's write it out. 13.
What?
1 and then a 3. Alright, so now let's check our answer. So write out your formula. 5 plus 5 plus... Oh, no. Are we adding a 1 or are we adding a 3?
A 3.
Alright, so let's start that over. It's okay. Let's start over. 5 plus 5 plus equals... Good job! Yay! Alright. Okay, let's do one more. Now, what word is that? Blue. How can we use blue in a sentence?
I'm coloring with a blue crayon.
I'm coloring with a blue crayon.
Or I am blue all over myself.
What? You're blue all over. Alright, so, how do we spell that?
My toes are...
Your toes are blue.
No, the nail polish is blue, and the nail polish blue is on my toe.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so how do we spell this?
B-L-U-E.
Beautiful. Great job. Alright, so let's write it out.
B. If you want to say anything, you can go.
Looks good. One more letter. Great. Alright, so how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? There you go. How many did you underline? 2. Perfect. So let's write 5 twice.
2 times again?
Yeah, there's a lot of 2 vowels in these. Alright. Or I should say a lot with 2 vowels. Plus. Yeah, let's correct that. Because we have to be able to read it, right? Oh, perfect. And then how many, is there any Y's?
Blue.
Is there any Y's in this word? Okay. So how much are these other letters worth?
What?
That's right. So how many ones do we have to write? B-L. How many ones do we have to write? There you go. So can you write 1? Can you write 2 of them?
2 1?
Yeah. So plus 1 plus 1. And then write an equal sign. Alright. And then what does that equal? Let's put our fingers up. How many fingers are you going to put up? 10. Okay, because you have 5 2 times. How many do I need to put up?
You need to put up
2. All right, let's put our fingers up. How many do we have?
12.
12. Good job. Hey, why do you keep on taking my pen? All right, so let's write 12. 1, 2.
That looks like a sentence.
There you go. All right, let's check our answer. Let's write up the formula.
What's formula?
It's the equation here. 5 plus 5 plus 1. Hit the equal sign. 12. Good job. Great job. So as you can see, that's how we go through these words. Is she tells me the word. So in this last example, blue, she uses the word in a sentence. And then from there, she spells it out. We underline the vowels. Then we write out the equation starting with the vowels. And then add it up and check it with our register or our calculator. She has a lot of fun doing it. Do you have fun with this? Yeah. This is a lot of fun. Plus, anything to use a toy while learning is always a great thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to finish off these last couple words. But please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.